In this video we will discuss about how to delete the elements of a set. We can remove the elements from a set. If required, we can even delete the complete set. The below methods are used for deleting the elements from a set. First is the remove method. We can specify the element that we want to delete using the delete method. If the element is not present or deleted or wrong element is provided, then it throws runtime error as key error. Second method is the pop method. Using pop method also we can delete the elements from the set. If no index is passed in pop method, then it deletes the last elements of the list. But as set are unordered, we don't know which is the last item that will get deleted. If an element that we want to delete is not found in the set, then also no error is thrown. The third method is the clear method. It is used to empty the set, means it will delete all the element from a particular set. The delete keyword can be used to delete the complete set. It also deletes all the elements present under it. If the set is not present, then it will throw error as name error. Let's test the deletion of element from the set using a program. In the program, a set is initialized with 4 values as A, B, C, and D. Print statement is added to print the complete value of the set. When executed, we can see that it has printed all the set values in an unordered manner. Now let's try to delete the elements. We can use the remove method to remove the set values as setName.remove method with the value to be removed in parenthesis. Print statement is added to check the values of the set after deletion. When executed, we can see that the character C has been deleted from the set. Similarly, we can use the discard method to delete the set values as setName.discard method with the value to be deleted in parenthesis. When executed, we can see that the character C has been deleted from the set. Next, we will use the pop method to delete the set values as setName.pop method. Pop method deletes the last element from the set, but we will not know in advance as which set element will be deleted as the set elements are not indexed. When executed, we can see that the character A has been deleted from the set. Every time we execute the program, we might see some other value getting deleted due to this unordered behavior of sets. We can use the clear method to clear all the element of the set as setName.clear method. When executed, we can see that all the set items have been deleted and the set is now an empty set. We can also delete a set completely using the del method as del keyword followed by the set name. This will delete the set completely. If we try to print the set after deletion, we will get an error message. Executing the program again, we see that we are getting error message as set is not defined. This is because we are trying to access a deleted set. On removing the print statement, no error is thrown after the set deletion. So, these are the different ways in which we can delete the elements of a set or completely the set itself.